us go for this Chennapatna thing, okay? We are today going to make the dolls which I have shared in the group, which are called Chennapatna dolls. Okay, this is actually a dolls which are made of wood. This is an art form which is made of wood, and many of you might have played with these kind of toys when you are younger. Actually, it will be very rounded shape, very smooth. It is not hurting and all. So these are actually wooden toys. இப்போ நம்ம வந்து if you can observe during Navratri and all, no, like we keep it in golu, choppu saman சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, all the kitchen utensils kind of those models and all we used to keep in our golu. So that is, or all those are also Chennapatna toys only. And very famous Chennapatna toys or trains they make. The engine, all will be like a battery shape, no, like the bigger battery cell. That kind of shape it will have, all rounded and cylindrical it will be, and it will be very smooth, non-hurting things, which the children also keep playing with that. Okay, this is a very traditional kind of art form. Now with our Fevicryl product, we are trying to replicate those things with our molded. Okay. This is manufactured in the town of Chennapatna, which is in Karnataka, near Mysore, somewhere near Mysore and Bangalore, I think. So this Chennapatna is itself known as Gombegala Uru. That is, Gombegala means it is dolls, bomma. பொம்மையோட பொம்மை பண்ற ஊர் அதுக்கு பேரே. ஸோ தட் அந்த ஊர் பேரே கொம்பெகலா ஊர். ஓகே, so this is in Karnataka, art form of Karnataka. Okay, so this actually this origin is traced from the time of reign of Tipu Sultan itself. These artisans are from Persia, and they train the local artisans actually to make these wooden toys. Now the father of this Chennapatna toy is Bawas Mian. Okay, and now the technology has very much improved and developed, so they make these cylindrical types and all very smooth finishes, and they give with machineries. In olden days it is all made with handcrafted, it is all handcrafted. Okay, but this now it has got lot of diversification. Okay, it is made of rubber. Originally it was made only out of wood. Now it is made of rubber, and they use for instead of natural dyes we use chemical dyes. It was only the vegetable dyes were used. Okay, so anyway, like all other art forms, it was also just declining, and a lot of steps had to be taken by the Karnataka government to develop this art and to preserve this art. Okay, and there are lathe machines by which they do this wooden smoothening of these toys, making of these toys. Okay, these are all about the Chennapatna toys. So let us see, see, this is also one kind of diversification, how we are making this toy with our Fevicryl products. We will try to make a replica of that Chennapatna toy. Hope you all will be liking this. So as you have seen, I have shared these two dolls in the group. Okay, so these were my first dolls made. Okay, these are the things I made during maybe 2 months back or so. So I like the cuteness of that. I remember playing with in my younger age, playing with a train of this type. So I had some of reminiscing that things also. Okay, so now what I have done is I've taken this empty bottle. Say I actually by nature I would like to use up the things whichever is available with us, instead of just throwing it away and buying a new thing for making a new something new. I would like to use up the things whichever we have in hand. Okay, so now I have taken the Senapatna toy is fully that solid wood. It is solid wood, smooth end on the outside. Now we are not going to use the wood, and we are going to use the clay. So Udaya, can you take this uh, screenshot now?
மேம் எடுத்துட்டேன். அப்படியே ஒரு நிமிஷம் இருங்க. ஓகே மேம்.
ஓகே மேம், தேங்க்யூ. ஸோ இது நம்ம வந்து கிளே யூஸ் பண்ண போறோம். ஸோ இது ஃபுல்லத்துக்கும் வி ஆர் ஆல் ஆர் ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் வி ஆர் ஸ்பெண்டிங் அண்ட் கெட்டிங் இட். ஓகே, ஸோ I will show you all these products we are spending and getting. I don't want to waste even a tiny amount of it. Okay, so so instead of making a solid thing with the clay like this, see, you can see I have used up the bottle only. So instead of making it solid, now it has the weight and we are going to cover it with the clay. See, this is the bottle. See, on the bottle I have pasted a glass color, Fevicryl glass color cap. You can use, somebody had suggested in the group that they can use this toothpaste cap also. So just this is for the neck portion. Okay, this cap is from the Fevicryl glass colors. See, this is for the neck portion. I have done it. So if at all you don't have
ma'am.
it, yes, ma'am. Can you put it in the chat?
Ma'am, I don't.
You don't have the cap, is it? You don't have the cap. If you don't have, that's what I'm coming to tell you. You can use a toothpaste cap, or you can shape this shape with the aluminum foil, and we can cover it with the clay. So anything you can take, whichever you find in this kind of shape, you know, like some metal piece or something like that. You can and it will stay like that in whichever shape we are making it. Newspapers might little bit come out because when it is crushed again, it tends to come out a little bit, but anyway we can cover it with the clay. Instead you can use a toothpaste cap that every home will have. So you can use a toothpaste cap also. So, just because we don't want to fill the full thing with the clay, so I just want to say wherever it is possible. So now I'm taking this clay. I will turn the camera towards my table. So this is the resin and hardener. This is the resin and this is the hardener. You have to open it and mix it. See, initially for this, this bottle, I used up 1.5 packets of clay. Okay. So if you want to do two dolls, then you will need at least a minimum of 3 packets of clay, or a little more if like what how you want to shape it, and those things all you have to decide. Okay. So initially I'm going to mix the full packet, because to cover up the entire bottle we need the full packet of clay. And as usual, you have to have a little bit of powder in your hand so that it doesn't get too much of stickiness in your hand. So for initial thing, I'm going to use up the Is it too close?
No,
just
ma'am.
Udaya alone can unmute and please Let me know if any difficulty you are facing in seeing my video, because if everybody starts unmuting, it will be difficult. And if I am missing any chat, any doubts, Udaya, please read to me.
மேம் கொஞ்சம் ரைட்ல மூவ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. உங்களுக்கு ரைட்ல கேமரா. ஓ சாரி, உங்களுக்கு ரைட்ல இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் ரைட்ல மூவ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஓகே.
Or I will move myself. Because it will delay in my other instrument, my computer. So see, this thing I have to do it in front of you because I cannot mix and keep it. So I'm just keeping this much of clay here. Rest of it.
Ma'am, if possible, no, just move yourself a little, only your body towards the where you have kept the bottle and the gum bottle. That side. A little, so that
Is it okay? Yeah.
Yeah, a little. You move this side towards that bottle side.
Hope this is okay. So now you have to make, just you can make this kind of flat kind of chapati kind of thing by your hand itself. No need of rolling pin and all those. No need to the underneath of the bottle. You can paint it later.
மேம், உங்களோட அந்த போர்டு வச்சிருக்கீங்களா, பவுடர் கொட்டி, அந்த போர்டை அந்த மோல்டி கவர் அந்த இடத்துல வச்சீங்கன்னா கரெக்ட் வியூ கரெக்டா இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். மோல்டி கவர் வச்சிருக்கீங்களா, அந்த இடத்துல வைங்க. இந்த இடத்துல வச்சீங்கன்னா கரெக்டா இருக்கு. அங்க வச்சு ஓகே மேம்.
See, actually, somebody else also had mentioned in the group this is not getting stuck with Fevicol A+. So you can use mold it itself. See, for me also it has come because while we are working, this is a plastic area. It is not getting stuck. But if you have not done it previously also, it doesn't matter. Now you can stick it. இப்போ அந்த இது வந்து உங்களுக்கு மூடி வந்து பண்ண வரல, ஐ மீன் மூடி இல்ல அப்படின்னா you can shape take the aluminum foil. இந்த aluminum foil வந்து you can shape it like for the neck or a newspaper எடுத்து இந்த மாதிரி ஷேப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இந்த ஷேப் பண்ணிட்டு நம்ம clay பண்ணி வைக்கும்போது இந்த இடத்துல we can cover it. எப்படியும் கிளாஸ் கலர் பாட்டில்ஸ் உங்ககிட்ட இருக்கும். ஸோ அந்த சைஸ் பார்த்து அந்த இது வந்து நீங்க ஒரு ஸ்மூத் சர்ஃபேஸ்ல நவ ஐ எம் புட்டிங் ஆன் த கிளாத். இந்த மாதிரி ஃபிளாட் சர்ஃபேஸ்ல யூ கேன் ரோல் இட் லைக் திஸ். கிளாத்ல பண்றதுனால கொஞ்சம் அந்த டெக்ஸ்சர் வருது, பட் தட்ஸ் ஓகே. And you can remove this excess clay from the bottom. I don't want to waste even a single bit of it. I'll show you even the tiny bits.
At the side. Can you just show it in between, in the middle?
Because I'm getting a little bit confused whether I have to move right or left. Okay, is it okay? Because
Yes,
okay, I should focus on my mobile camera. Okay, mobile camera is at one end, so I have to see. First you can cover the full thing. So how you can do this is the cover the whole thing and then press this on top of it and remove this clay. You don't want to waste this clay also. So remove this clay, just press it like this. If you have this aluminum foil, then you have to keep the aluminum foil little bigger you have to make. Okay, aluminum foil, and keep it in the center, the broader base in the center.
Excuse me, ma'am.
The narrow part. Yes.
I've joined late. Can you repeat it again?
See, this is the beginning. I'm just covering the bottle with the clay. Okay. Covering this type of bottle. Covering this type of bottle. I hope you know how to mix the clay and everything. Okay. The resin and hardener, I assume that you'll be able to mix that. This with the cap I'm having. This is the glass color bottle cap.
Okay, ma'am.
Or you can use the toothpaste cap. Somebody suggested me. Thanks to her. So if you are doing it with the clay, it will get stuck very nicely. And smoothen it with the powder. And we are getting disconnected in this session. Please join me in the next session with the same link. Like this, you have to do it, and then cover this part also. This is the neck part. Like this, cover it. Okay. The next part is the important thing. Take two equal sized balls, roll it like this. And now that this part comes. Okay. This flexible wire you take around 3 or I'm taking this one as equally 5.5. Like this. As far as possible, keep this wire straight. Okay, this has to have. I did not suggest the jewelry making wire because that will not have this firmness. It has to be firm as well as be flexible. Now this roll, this see, if you do like this, it will be difficult to again do it, bringing that to the shape. So roll it on this. On the whole of thing. And then again, because that will make the wire at the center. If you are going to press it like this, I just did like this. Sometimes what happens, the wire comes corner and somewhere the wire is seen outside like that. If you can do this also. So whichever is convenient, this I'm not able to make it in the center sometimes. So if the wire is little bit bent or something, sometimes it is shown outside. So I thought this is better than the previous one. So decide how much thickness you want the clay for the hands. And remove some clay. I want some little bit of wire here. And let the wire be till this end. So let the clay not be excess over that. So remove as much as possible. Remove this clay as much as possible and cover only the wire. So if any excess is there, you can remove it.
Ma'am, can you please put put your work in between? You are at the very side, this corner पे है आपका.
It's okay. I think while doing, I just tend to move, I think. While rolling and everything, I'm tending to move. So what you have to do is slightly bend it. See, now it is not going to be very perfect. So don't worry about it. Bend it like this. See, the hand which I have done in my doll, I am telling you, I'll give you different idea also. So like this, the clay will tend to move away from the wire only, because one thing what I tried initially and what difficulty I faced also, I'll tell you. So you can decide like accordingly how you can proceed in this step. See, let this portion be flat. Okay, this is the shoulder level, and this portion is going to be little flat here, and this portion is going to be bent like this. So don't bend the overall. This is to be flat and this is to be like this. Okay, like this to fix the thing, and then again you have to adjust this accordingly. On this is not even start. Okay, you just keep it for 10 minutes. Clay become little harder. Then whenever, this is the most difficult part I faced in this making this doll. Suggest you you can have it like this also, the hands stretched in the front, but only thing I would that hands ought to be round, like the cylindrical. It should be cylindrical. After bending, if you are doing this, wires will be seen outside. So anyway it is coming out only, but you have to do a lot of adjustment. This is the most again and again I'm telling you. So be prepared for that and then start doing it. See, if you want to keep it in front like this, you bend it like this, or you can keep it like stretched here, slightly bent at the elbow. So here you have to attach it, no? So for that you give a bend again, like this. You can give the bend again, keep the hands in the front. Okay, you have to make a lot of adjustment. After it is getting dried, I'll tell you like how easy it is to shape that clay. See, almost like dry. After 10 or 15 minutes, you can shape the clay very nicely. Now it is not yet started drying, so it is giving a lot of trouble now.
Ma'am, just excuse me.
Yeah.
Ma'am, this bottle what you use is how much ml bottle, ma'am? The big one.
This is 15 ml, and this is 20 ml fabric glue bottle.
Okay, okay.
This is a fabric, I mean fabric paint. Fabric paint 20 ml bottle.
You can use that also.
Yeah, yeah. I initially for this I had used this fabric glue bottle. I mean fabric paint bottle, fabric color bottle, which is that which has that blue cap. So you will get this size. This is the acrylic paint 15 ml bottle.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. This is the most. Please take care. This is going to be the difficult one that you have. I'll show you when the clay is dry how easy to shape it also. Okay, like this you have to keep it. Later I'll tell you when it is dry you can give a lamp here. Now Kartigai is coming up on Sunday. You can fix a lamp here while the clay is with some clay or something. You can fix a lamp like this. Now I am giving you like tea light, but you can fix up a diya also, a small diya according to the size. Actually this is big, this is a big one. You get a smaller one also. So now I know many of you did diya painting workshops, attended diya painting workshops. You will have a nice painted diya also. So this is one idea. You can keep it in the front like this. Tea light means this is sufficient. The size will be okay. You can keep the tea light. And another version of I doing this thing is I had this one idea. So after fixing the head and all, instead of keeping the hands on the hip, you can keep the hands on the head like this. So on the head, you can keep some tokri kind of thing, like you can keep some basket, like she's selling something like that, or you can keep diya on the head. So it is all your wish. Like this, you can shape it like this, bend and keep it over the head. So the size from the shoulder to head like this. Okay, are you clear now? So I'll move on to the next step because I'll show you when it is almost dry how nice you can shape the hands. Now I'll move on to the head because I don't want to waste it. With this clay itself, I'll tell you how to shape the head. Take some aluminium foil, make it a small round like this. First, initially make a small round like this, and then take some more foil. Wrap it around.
Ma'am, again your hand is going towards the corner. Please in between. Center में आप आइए.
Okay.
Ma'am, please say something. I can't see you.
Please
Yes, now
pin my video. In my video. Udaya, I want that 29 participants list, ma.
Okay, ma'am. I'll take.
Sorry, participants, I have to have this kind of things, pictures. I'm interrupting your session, but I need to report, give these pictures to the company. So that's why I had to. Yeah, video, because maybe it is because I have a little bad network. So like this, you have to make a ball proportionate to the bottle and make this as a like this and close it like you make a modak. நல்லா கொழக்கட்டை மாதிரி உள்ள வச்சு மூடிடுங்க. எக்ஸஸ் clay எல்லாம் எடுத்துடுங்க. And then
Ma'am, please come in
nicely give a
between.
round.
Your hands are going towards corners. We can't see.
See, actually, I'm centering by naturally. I'm tending to center my hands towards the mobile center, but I have to concentrate on the camera, I think. And then make a round like this, and then put it on top of it. In the clay is wet itself, you can. I mean, it is not yet dry, so you can put it like this. So it will get stuck. Okay. So this will get stuck. See, actually this this one whole packet got over with the hands itself. Now I am using the same clay from the hand for the head. This nicely you give a nice finish for the head by rolling it between your palms and then stick it on the top of it. Okay. I am just giving this hand this
Ma'am, you
head
kept a
like
foil
this.
inside the head, na?
Yes, yes, yes. Like a modak, I told you, no, I keep the foil because I don't want to use the clay for the whole head. You can save some clay because that's why I'm telling you the one whole clay packet will get over with the hands. For this head, you need another half packet. Half to not half exactly, it will be little lesser than half. But with the other things, you need to make ears. Say for ears, make a small round, equal quantity you take. 2 balls you take. Okay, so ear shape you make. Like this ear shape you make. See, it'll all have a very smooth finish only. So, and bit little proportionately, if it is big also, it is okay, little bit big also, because it's all handmade. It is not machine made to be very precise. So that's a speciality of handmade things also. Like this, both sides. When it is wet, if you are sticking, it will get stuck by itself, or you need a glue. Use the fabric premium glue because A plus sometimes it comes off. And then make a small ball. I'll tell you like how, because in this it may not get stuck at this time because you need to little bit wait for getting it dried. So make a small ball for making jhumka. You can just keep it like this. And you can stick it here in the ears. Okay. And for the studs, take that even the tiny bit of ball, make a very small tiny ball and stick it here. Maybe here you can use the glue. So like this you have to stick it. Then the jhumka here. So jhumka you can make use of a tiny bit of this wire, little bit you can cut it and then insert it in the ear and the jhumka also. But when it is wet itself, when you are doing it will get stuck on. So don't no need to worry. But if at all you want to secure it more, you can give a little cut it a little here, and then or you can use a toothpick also, a tiny one. You can just break it as a paint on it, or you can make use of jewelry wire, little bit wire. You can break it like this, and you can get it inserted like this to up to the ears. Okay, but don't lose the shape of the jhumka. Or if you are losing the shape, make that shape as a flat one like this. Like this flat you make. In front it will have this look. Okay, and then you can give some impressions here for the designs. Like this you can give the impression. So clear up to this? Okay. Now we can make this as a measure it and bend it accordingly to like this, and then you have to shape it like this. Let it dry for some time. Then with the clay itself, I will show you how easy to make one. If at all, if you are finding it very difficult to use this wire, I'll remove this clay. If at all you are finding it very difficult to cover the wire accordingly, then I'll tell you another only the inside. Okay, cut it around this. Take some, and like this you have, see on top it has to be straight, and keep it like this. So this is how originally I made the doll, but I thought this will be more easier to have it like this. You have to see now, if you fix it like this, it will come, it will fall like this only. It will not stay like this. So what you have to do is, first do your hands, measuring it how much you want. Both the hands you do it with the same thickness and keep it for drying. Keep this for drying. And then you start making the doll like this. Measure it. Both have to have the same thickness and same shape. Like this you keep it for drying. Actually I did it, I stuck it on the next day only. I just kept it like this, or on the bottles or something like that. You have to see, it has to be more bent, not, this is very broad, so it has to be like this. Maybe you can use this type of, this is also broad, this type, like this you can keep it and dry it. Just dry it like that only. And then then you do the bottle, and then while doing the bottle you can cover it. This idea I'm getting it now. Actually, while while I was doing all together. Now after it is dry means it will be retaining this shape only. And then you do the this doll part, covering part. And then while covering itself, you keep the hands like this, and then put the clay on the hand also, and then it will not fall like this, droop like this. It will not droop like this. Okay, so it will be stay put like this only. And then you can cover with the clay the entire bottle. While covering only, you can keep this portion here, and then you can stick it, so it will stay. Or if you want this hand to be like this, then keep it like this. You measure it. You have to do a little bit of measuring when you are doing the hand and drying it. So you can keep it like this. You have to shape it like this and keep it for drying. So in which position you want to have it. So in this position, you dry the hand, and then you do the covering of the bottle and fix the hand like this. Or if you want to keep it like this, the same thing. First itself, you measure it and keep it for drying in this shape. Okay. So these are the different methods how you can keep the hand, position the hand, and how you can do this without much difficulty. Okay. So this is the thing which I have done it yesterday. I will tell you what mistake I did. Can you see this? This one hand is little bit front, and this hand I have stuck it backward because without power I was doing it yesterday. So I didn't notice it that I have put it backside, a little bit backside. So you be careful that you put it in the front. Now it is completely dry. Okay. So in this making, you have any doubt? Do you have any doubt in this making?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So shall I proceed for the next thing, next step of the?
Yes, ma'am.
This is my have given that wire here. Okay, inserting this jhumka here. The morning only, still it is not dry. Okay, and now even a small part waste. I suddenly got an idea. See, here I have that thing. I have painted here at the back side. Can you see this black paint and little bit of white strokes I've given to make it like a pleat. So actually I got little bit of clay extra in my thing. So I thought I will make like this. So I made this one, a plait. Can you see this? a plait, and which can be see when it is wet only, this hands, this plait and all, you can do it, or you can wait for if any thing is getting wasted, then you can do it like this. You can, but I gave a very strong press and it broke. Now I have again stuck it with the fabric glue. I'll tell you like how I did it. Little bit flattened it. And with the knife, just give one impression here from the center of it, this side, another impression from the center of it. Hope you are able to see. I'm not, am I, see from this center, there is one thing, and from this center. Little patiently you do, it will come. Nicely, it will look like a plait. And give a nicely flatten it here. And then give lot of strokes here. Like look like a tail portion of the hair, like this. Then if you want any rubber band kind of thing, it's all your creativity. You will, because I'll be going on doing such decorations like this. You can add it and give a golden color or something here. All three these things black, and you can make some golden color or whichever matching the dress color and all. You can paint it here. Okay. See, this clay is almost dried. Now I'll tell you like how easy it is to shape. Actually, it will stick to the shape. See, it's very hard now to shape also, but at this time you have to be too quick. Because at this time you are going to make both hands marine, so you have to be little quick because it's almost like a drying time. It will be hard, but when it is hard, it is very easy to shape it. Now, when you are bending, it will lose its thing. But when you are doing again this thing with the help of little bit of powder, it will stay. See, it is not coming out. Like previously, it was coming out so much, right? So it is not coming out at all now. See, it will be very easy now. Now you can do this inserting part, because this is also almost dry. It will hold it nicely. Now you can further bend it. And nicely it can insert it. And the shaping will be very easy. Inserting again, you tend to press that and it will lose its shape. But now it will be very easy to shape. So you wait for a little drying time. Give it some drying time, and then this shaping will be very easy. Now you can smoothen it with the powder. So any doubt on this? You can add extra clay if you want. Any doubt? Jewelry for wire for jhumka inserted at the bottom. Yes. See, from inside, you can just give a little bit of a thin jewelry wire is there. No, you can just insert it. Little bit you cut it and you can insert to the ears from the bottom. So it will connect the jhumka and the ears. So it won't fall down. It will dry as it is. And then you can give a small stud here. See, any thing like this is leftover means you can make a jewelry also and make it all round only. Round or tilak shape kind of things. Like this, and then you can stick it here. But I would suggest not to add the jewelry and all. You can draw it because it's completely the wooden piece. So don't add any extra three-dimensional jewelry kind of thing and all. Everything you have to paint it, and take care you fix the hand properly. This I didn't notice because yesterday I was doing it. I told you, without the power and a little bit urgently I was doing it. So I noticed only in the morning I have stuck it little behind. So now what you do is take a pencil, give your own, are you able to see, right? Eyebrows. So decide this is a male or female. I mean, this of course I have put the jhumka, so it is a female figure. For male figure, you can, for ears, you can make it a little bit different. Don't make a jhumka, you can make a little bit of a different kind of earring, or just you put one stud only. No need of hanging also. So accordingly, you draw the face. For male, I have put the mustache. So for female, I am just drawing the eyes. See this, you can draw it freehand. See for nose, you have to just give like little S like this, and then close it with the open bracket like this. No need of closing. You just do it like this. Okay. This ears alone, I afternoon only I stuck it, so it is not at dry. So like this you have to do, and the lips part. So if you want little upper also, you can do it. If you feel the lip is going very downwards, this and all slowly you do it like this, and then you can use a skin color paint or a little bit of yellow mixed with any yellow, golden yellow, or any dark yellow. You can use a lemon yellow or um, uh, you can use any golden yellow or chrome yellow mixed with white so that it will lighten the shade. This is chrome yellow. Udaya, the product photography, ma.
Ma'am,
Use
again
any
show
of the
it.
colors.
I'll take. Okay, ma'am. And you have some doubts in your chat box. Please check.
Yeah. How to make turban for male? Yeah, I'll tell you. See, for turban, I used this cap. Again, cover it with this clay only. I'll take off this clay, okay? Don't mind again, because anyway, this I'll not be able to finish in the class. So I'm just using this clay only. So I'll do the finishing part and whatever I have done it already.
Yes, I can't see. We can't see, ma'am. Bring it near the doll. Your bottle is falling, ma'am.
No, that is okay. I was seeing this, teaching this turban part. So I had just moved the doll. See, like this, you shape it.
But bring your hand down, ma'am. You can't see.
Make it like this. Shape it like this. On this cap only, you shape it. With powder, you can smoothen the clay. Cover the whole bottle. You can take a smaller cap also. Cover the entire cap. Or you can make use of some jhumka base if it is fitting on the head like a turban. But this look like a turban for me, like this caps, this Fevicryl bottle caps you take. That's exactly suited like a turban shape. Okay, like this you shape it. And let's say this is a male figure. Sorry, this ears have fallen down. Like this, you have to stick it with the glue. Or if you have some more clay left, you can put the clay inside here and then stick it with the clay like this. And only the painting you have to and cover the entire. It should not be seen. The cap should not be seen. Maybe you can use a white cap also instead of blue. So it should not be seen. Like this, you can cover it. Okay. You can place it like a turban, and then it is all painting only I have given. So can you see only the painting? By the painting, I have made it like a turban. You have to stick that. See, even the steelite thing, that thing you have the base, you can use it as a turban. Like that. Okay, and skin color or white color or yellow you can use for painting the face. This is fabric color. See, as of now, I am using a white color. I wanted some adjustment, so I took off. See, I'm just showing in the face only because I'm not able to see when I am doing only with the facing at in the camera. So I'm slightly, you can mix the yellow in this itself. Slightly you make a touch of yellow and then mix it here itself like this. So in this entire ball, this face, I'll stick it later to the doll. I'll post it in the group also because the ears also has come off. So I'll make it and post it. Because yesterday I couldn't be too precise with the weather and this thing. See, still you can see whatever you have drawn there. Okay, later also you can make a touch up after drawing all these things. So how much ever color you want, you apply there. And another tip on this is just the bristle should be touching your article. Don't press the bristle and wipe off that entire. We tend to do that actually when as a beginner I tend to do that. Like I'll be wiping off all the color and there'll be a lot of streaks there. So only the bristles should softly touch the article so that you don't see so much of stripes there. Very slowly you do the paint, you should apply on that. You should not be wiping the paint off. Like this, let it dry. I'll show you the drawing of, see if it is a female figure, you do the sari drawing here. Hip part. And make the pleat part here and then cover it like entirely like here. Make some borders like here, you can cover it. Cover it. Make this half portion drawing. Just do it freehand. Don't mind about like if it is curved or bent or anything. Just freehand. While coloring, you can adjust it and then make draw these little bit of pleats. It should be narrowly, it should be starting here and then little broader, it should end here. Like this. So make like 5 lines or 4 lines like that. And cover this portion. And cover this portion also. Here it will end with the hip itself. So here you will make it, and then if you want a border, you make a border. If you want more height in the doll, you can attach it with here with another cap like this or something like this. So attach it like this and cover that thing also with the clay and make this as a border. Okay, cover this one as with a clay strip of clay and make this as a sari border or dhoti border. So if you are going to do the dhoti means paint it white, and I have given a zari border here for the dhoti. Here I added greenery color. This thing and like buttons with the golden things. But also, hello, 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 Udaya.
Yeah, ma'am.
சொல்லுங்க மேம்.
You want painting part also you want to see, or you can do it?
No, we'll do it, ma'am.
Painting part you have to take a very thin brush. Okay, you can first make it with a little bit of brown. So you will be able to see it here, or you can write do it on the painting also with the guidance of the old sketch here. So you don't have to be very precise, like very beautiful eyes, those kind of and all. Don't concentrate too much. I mean, if it is little bit here and there, it is okay. For such type of dolls, it is okay. Like this. So give some drying time for the paint and all, so that it won't spread. This nose part and all, you can give it, because I'm doing it with black because it will be very much visible here. Here this lips part and nose part, you do it with burnt sienna or a light pink color. Pink color is given in your sunflower kit. So with that you can fill this, because now I'm showing it with black, it will be nicely visible in the camera. So I'm doing it in the with the black. Okay, and then put a bindi with the red color, and then for girls, this thing I have just painted it with a black only. See, we will be sticking ears here, so you just give some burns like this. Like this. Both sides, you cover entirely with the black. Make a thicker, use a thicker brush, entire portion. You wait for the give some drying time. So entirely you can paint it black, and then for the back side you can give stick the plait, or you can paint it only, paint the plaits. Actually instead of making a, because I had some clay left over, I did the plait. Otherwise it's better to paint only, because these toys will have this painted effects only. So I'll tell you what all you have to paint. See here, for the toy, I have given the border in the golden color. Okay, and then hip side there is a border, and for entire hand, for this blouse, this thing finishing, I have given the golden color, and for bangles I have given the golden color. Here you can use the 3D liner, cone liner you can use. Okay, for jewelry part also I have used the golden color and little small dots of red color to make it look like a stone. So you can use a 3D liner for this jewel part and this pendant part, all those. Say bindi with the red color, and then the stud with the red color, and jhumka you can give some patterns. For ears, for just for the definition, I have given some lines here in the ears. Okay, and for the man thing, see this is a greenery and white dhoti, just a zari here. And then here I have given like a kangan like thing is a golden color, and I have made a jewelry rudraksh kind of just a brown color I have given. Okay, and there is a little small the bigger rudraksh here, and this is all with the shirt part. And then for turban you just give an inverted V here at the lightly at the sideways. Okay, like the lightly at the sideways. Okay, and then give like this, and on top portion give a just on stroke of golden color, and the eyes, and inside see here I have given that yellowish shade for the face. So for the eyes inside you have to give the white. Okay, this you have to really do it very slowly. It has to dry because we don't have the time for that drying. So all the doll making part I have told you. So this I think
Hello, ma'am.
this face part, yes, ma.
Can you put these two pictures, no, a little bloated up in the group, ma'am, so we can see the.
Yeah, I have. Yeah, already I have posted, but still I'll see whether still maybe I will put it separately.
Yes, little slightly.
Look, yeah, it'll look a little bigger. Okay.
Yes.
Because this thing I'm not able to really, this holding will be the problem because of the size of the doll. You have to hold it very, see, you stick all these things, and then the holding will be little easier for you. Holding will be easier for you. Either you can put the hands in the hip or in the front and put a tea light holder, or put it on the top and you can make it like a tokri or something, and then keep it on the head of this lady. Okay.
Ma'am, 1 second. But the smaller the dolls are, they're looking cuter, ma'am, and better. Nice.
Which one?
The smaller the dolls, they look better.
Yes,
Nice.
yes, yeah, that's right. Yeah. So instead of making it more high, taller with tree and all those things, you can just put it like in the hip only. Or you put it in the hands in the front and put one small diya also you can make with the clay itself, but it all it is your choice. But the submission I want only the dolls. Okay. Otherwise, how you decorated, how you're positioning the hands and all is your choice. So how much time you want for the submission? Somebody is asking if the head should be separate. No, actually I stuck the head, it came off. Actually, I told you, no, only morning I stuck this part. This part I did it in the evening, it is fully dry. If it had done it in the night itself, this head will be stuck here. So I can hold it like this and do. Head should not be separate. It should be stuck with the, see, it is stuck with the doll only. There should not be any lines seen here. See, for the male hair, you have to keep it like this, paint it like this. Or you want to give a tuft or anything, you can paint
Ma'am,
it
you
like
give
that.
us at least 1 week, ma'am. We have to go about
1 week
very slowly.
Yeah, you have to go it, but in 1 week. See, today is Friday, so shall we have it next Thursday is your submission date? Are you clear with my instructions? Do you want anything more to be said or any doubts here? You can ask in the group also, I'll clear it.
Yes, ma'am, we'll ask the group. It will be better. Each one will have their own queries, no?
But the doing the doll part, you are clear, right? That painting part is your choice. Okay, how you paint and what color you choose. all those things are your choice.
Please repeat the neck part, madam.
Neck part I have stuck with the, see this, while it is wet only, I have stuck it, so it got nicely stuck here in the neck. Okay, neck part, I have taken this bottle and stuck it here. This is the glass color empty bottle cap. We can use
Okay.
toothpaste cap also.
Okay.
Okay, with that you have to cover the clay.
Oh, okay. Okay. And not
Okay, cover the clay and
e-
yeah.
even
Not
with the aluminum foil.
Yeah, you can do it with aluminium foil also. Aluminium foil, if you are making that aluminium foil, means you have to keep that in the center. Make it little bigger. This is not enough, so make it little bigger. The size of it. See the size. You will be
Oh.
having the glass color. At least the cap size you will be having. Even if you are not able to use the cap, you will have the
Okay.
size of the cap. So instead like that, you can do it. Or entirely with the clay also, you can do the neck part. So I just didn't
Any
want to
string
waste the
inside?
clay.
Any string inside for security?
Yeah, for the neck. No,
Yeah,
you
for the
just,
neck.
yeah, along with the clay, you just stick it, it will hold like this. When the clay is dry, you will not be able to move it. See, when the clay is dry, you cannot move it.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank
the
you so
head is head also should be stuck like this. Don't take separately like me because it has come off, because morning only I did it and just I stuck it like this because it's entirely dry and this was wet. Just kept it like this and went away. So that's why it came off like this. Now I, with the glue or with the help of little bit of clay, I will stick it here and then only I will start painting the doll because it will be much easier to hold. If you hold the head alone, it will not be easier to for you to paint and paint the eyes and all.
Excuse
So
me, ma'am.
let's make it like,
I
yeah.
have one small doubt. Now you
Yeah,
have
tell.
rolled a aluminum foil and put the clay on the top and inserted a head on the top of
Yes.
the cap. Will it stay up
Yes.
only on the top only?
Yeah,
It will
yeah,
not.
yeah. I
It will
told
not
you, no,
come down.
this, it will not come down. What a mistake I did is, see, it's not a mistake. You can do it still. See,
Okay.
this is completely dry because yesterday I did it. This is completely dry. Okay. This later I did in the morning and then
No,
I
I
just
am
pushed it
asking,
on
not
that.
head is not coming separate. No, now I am
Hmm.
covering the clay. Okay, I am
Okay.
covering the foil with clay, but
Hmm.
you are getting the separation. No, neck and neck part and head part. Will it come for us also? Because foil
Yeah.
foil.
Yeah, it will come because you are covering it. No, it is covering, it will stay. See, wait for little bit of drying time. Give some drying time. I told you, no, when it is dry, the shaping is very easy. Okay. When
Okay.
instead of just when the clay is fresh, no, it is very difficult to shape it. See, when it is dry, you can shape it. But if it is completely dry, also you cannot work on that. See, if it is this much dry, you cannot work on that. Okay, it's after
Okay.
10-15 minutes you work on that, give that shape, then you do this and this head part will be almost minutes dry, and then you push the neck part here. Okay, because this will be wet still, it'll not, so it'll get stuck here
Okay.
nicely. It'll stuck here. You hold it and
The
give
foil.
little with the powder. You just merge this clay with the along with the neck.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
But the clay should be more than foil, right? Clay should be more than foil then.
Yes.
Clay
Yeah,
should
it should
be
cover the entire
clay
foil.
cover the
Yeah,
entire foil.
clay
Correct.
should
Okay.
cover the
Okay.
entire foil. See, I don't want to use this
Okay.
much of clay. That's what the
Okay. 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 Okay, ma'am.
final thing is. Objective is not to waste the clay. I don't want to use this entire as a. You can do only the head with fully clay only. But I don't want
Okay,
to
ma'am.
do it. So I
Okay,
have
ma'am.
given the aluminum foil inside. Even you can use a paper, crushed paper,
Okay, ma'am.
newspaper.
Okay.
Newspaper
you,
also you can use. Okay.
Yeah.
See, when
Thank
it
you,
is
ma'am.
dry, it is very easy to shape it, smoothen it. See, it is now dry almost. Now you will be able to shape it nicely. Actually, it'll See,
Excuse me,
it
ma'am.
gets the shape. Yeah.
Is it correct?
Tell me, ma. You are
See,
showing, is
ma'am.
it? Just a
Please
moment.
see.
Yeah, yeah, I'll see, I'll see.
Is it correct, ma'am?
Anybody is doing along with me?
Yes. Please see.
Yeah. Just a moment.
Yes.
Okay, okay, good, good, good. Yeah, very nice,
Thank
ma.
you, ma'am.
Very nice. Udaya, can you take this picture, ma? Her showing picture.
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
show, ma'am.
Yes,
Brinda, are you doing? Brinda, are you doing? Brinda has left, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody else? Are you doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Over, ma'am.
Okay, show it on the video. Brinda is a 6th standard girl. She is very enthusiastically participating in most of the workshop by many teachers. And she always, is there a hole in the head to fix the neck? No, I didn't have put any hole, but if you want, you can insert, but how will you insert that on the bottle cap? No, again, that has a process again. Bottle cap has to have a hole. If it is aluminum foil, then you can, Brinda, very good. Ma'am, Shashikla, ma'am, you also show it. Both of you together, I'll, Shashikala, ma'am, you also please show it.
1 second, ma'am.
Ma'am.
1 second, ma'am.
Yes, yes, please.
Manju ma'am, I'm also
Very
showing.
nice. Yeah, Ramiza, you are here. Good, good. Thank you for coming, Ramiza.
Welcome.
Yes, ma'am.
Shashikala, ma'am, you show your article, ma'am. I'm seeing your face only. Yeah, thank you. I will take a picture of it. Hope I can take it, or Udaya, please take it. Because sometimes I'm not knowing what I'm doing. Udaya, please take this video pictures, ma. I am not getting it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, ma. Thank you. Thanks, Udaya. Udaya is a very good friend of mine. It is only over.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, Brinda,
talking.
name
Yeah. Brinda is in Shanti. Name of Shanti. Shanti. She's in the name of Shanti. Why, Brinda, you have painted fully as black?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I didn't. Ma'am, no, I didn't get the molded. I used MC.
So, MC, is it? Okay. Okay. Now you have to paint it white. Okay. Ramiza, you are doing a male doll. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Ramiza. Thank you.
Welcome. Welcome.
So for hands, Ramiza, I told you, I think you were there while I told the hands how to fix it later.
Yeah, I came by that time only. So I have to do the hands now.
Yeah, hands, let it dry, and then you have to fix it with some more little bit more of clay and fix it in the shoulder and the hip part.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, thank you, ma. Thank you. So shall we wind up this session? Is there any doubts? Is there a hole in the head to fix? See, no need, but if you want to, you can do it, because you need to put a hole again on the cap. How you have to put it is heat a needle and then put a hole in the cap. Then only you can insert a wire on the cap. Then you have to insert that to the neck. Okay. So if you are able to do it, then it is okay. It is your choice. But when the clay is not dried itself, if you stick it on the neck, it will get stuck. So no problem in that.
Thank you so much.
It gets
Yeah.
fixed.
Okay,
Just you have to take care that it doesn't fall when you are not there. Keep it in a safe place and leave it. Then it will dry by that itself, like that itself, because sometimes it droops also. So that's a challenging part. Sometimes the head might droop when you are not there. You just keep it and go away means it might droop. So take care that head doesn't droop. It is in position, and give maybe you can you have to fix the with the clay and then give a nice finish here under the neck. Okay, you can use some tool also, like a spoon, a small spoon back also, because if your finger is not able to reach here to give a nice finish here, use a spoon back, very small, tiny spoon, spoon or a back, or you will have some wooden things and all, no, that you can use it and give a nice finish, or just stick some clay here and just stick. Now I'm going to do like that only. Now I'm going to put some clay here. I'm going to press it here. Okay, then it will get stuck. No problem in that.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So I'm expecting all your, so by Thursday, so don't wait for Thursday. As and when you do, you please post the picture in the group. I've told you like how much strain we are undergoing, all the teachers. Here also there are a few more teachers. They will set as example here for you. So as and when you do, you please post it. Okay. See, painting part, if I have to, I like to do the painting part also, but I leave it to your choice for your creativity on those things. Maybe you will need one more session or another 1 hour, because it has to dry, each part to dry. So it will take another 1 hour for us to finish.
Ma'am, can you tell only colors?
So that's why I'm
ma'am?
leaving.
Colors and that.
Colors is your choice, ma. Like a sunflower, you have so much of colors. Pink will for the lady. Okay. Slightly brown with then you cover it with the pink, or not the exact the pink here in your sunflower kit is little bit different, not what we think as pink. Okay, this is deep brilliant purple. Normally we think this is as pink. This is deep brilliant purple, but pink is little bit different, but that has a very nice finish for the lips. Search for the pink color. Okay, my all things are mixed up here, so I'll show you if I get it.
Sparkling pearl colors having pink, ma'am.
Yeah, you have, like, this is your choice, like what dress you what color you choose for the sari. What, see, lightly here I have given like black lines to show the pallu. Okay. Here you can give even the golden lines here instead of black. Okay. This pendant and all I have given with the golden paint and small red dots, because I thought that red stones will match the sari. So I have given the red dots. You can choose to put red, green, like that. Okay. And take care how you paint the hair. Paint this hair like this little curve I have given in the front.
Yeah.
Okay, like that you take care and paint. And here I have given the plate and black paint little coarsely here on the sides, and white lines here, and I have put some flowers also here. So I just gave some white dots here for the flowers. Okay, and then this is the pallu part, given the golden thing, and then given a border with red lines.
Nice idea, ma'am. That plaits and all very nice, actually.
Ma'am, one query. May I ask?
Instead of, yeah.
Ma'am, if these
instead of this plaid, you can stick it like this and paint it black. Okay. We did it, no? So that also you can stick it here. Yeah. Tell me, Ma, what is the doubt?
Ma, I wanted to ask if bottles are not available, what can be the other alternative? The way
Bottles
for the head.
See, for the head and all, it is only aluminum foil I have used. Okay.
Yeah, same can be used for the base also, ma'am, if bottles are not available.
It is your choice. Your choice, because bottle, I thought it is sturdy and it has some weight also, no?
Right.
Aluminum, you should be, because when I am doing all the shaping, this bottle, because it is so thick here, when I am doing all the shaping, it won't dent inside. But if it is aluminum foil or paper, no, it will gets inside the paper or inside the crevices of that foil.
Right.
So lots of clays also will get wasted. See, if not this acrylic bottle, you make a use of any bottle. See, I'm not going to see what bottle you are using. So
Yeah,
it
just to
has
get
to
that
be like the
perfect shape,
cylindrical.
some sturdy
Yeah, you can
hard
use
material.
you can use the cell battery cell also, no cell
Right.
that bigger one.
Yes. Yes.
But it will be taller than this. It will be taller than this. You will get a little taller doll then.
Yeah, we have to
But
do it
I don't know
proportionate.
whether it is very very safe to use the battery cell. I don't know, because in the long run it might leak or something. I don't know about that. But any empty bottle you will be having, sure, definitely you'll be having some. You can find.
Yes, but no, I just
Even
wanted
that.
to know because if plastic bottles can be used or any
Yeah,
other.
you can use. Yeah, plastic is also a little bit sturdy. You can shape it. Okay, with the
Yes.
clay on top of it. But if it is aluminum or paper you are using, means the clay will get inside the crevices. So you have to take care. You will not get the proper shape. It will be difficult for you to get.
Yeah, while when you were doing, I just got an idea also of PVC pipes that are available. Maybe that also
Yes.
can
Of
be.
course, PVC pipe, that tissue paper rolls, that and all is
Yes,
sturdy.
tissue paper.
Though it is a
Yes,
paper, tissue paper roll you can use.
yes,
Or even that Fevicol a small MR bottle, right? That
yes,
you can use.
yes.
Anything cylindrical shape you can use.
Yeah, but it needs to be sturdy.
Yes.
Oh, okay, thank you.
So for head and all, you can use aluminum foil. No problem in that.
Ma'am, one more
Yeah.
small
Thank you,
doubt.
Cho. Yeah.
One small doubt,
Yes.
ma'am. If you placed the
Yes.
hands part on to the hip, no, that this one, then
Yes.
only we should give impression of hand there. How to now you have made the doll, no, that
Yeah.
you gave that gold color
Yeah.
for this one, no. Then hand we should stick some part on the hip and make fingers, fingers.
No, I
Finger
have not made
impression.
fingers at all. There is no finger impression.
Okay.
I have
Just
not given a finger impression. Just I have got, it is like on the hips.
okay.
See,
Okay.
Chennapatla dolls will not have many details like that. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay, ma'am.
It will be
Okay.
very, very smooth and shiny like that only.
Okay.
And over
Okay.
that, why I have suggested Mod Podge, that also I tell you. Varnish, if you are giving using wood varnish, means it makes the color fade a little bit. It gives a kind of yellow color. So instead of that, you please use the Mod Podge. So that is very this everybody will be having, I think. So please use this Mod Podge, okay, for varnishing, fixing the color. Finally, after the color, everything is dries, use this Mod Podge. Safety of the toys, you have to keep it apart, put it in showcase, don't dump it in with along with so many other articles that it might get this paint might peel off. So before that you have to fix the color with the Mod Podge or varnish and put it in the showcase. Final pics, this pics itself I will put two as a separate picture so that it will look more bolder than together. I'll put a separate picture of these, and then I will try to finish this also along with you. In 2-3 days, I'll put this picture also, this one also. Okay. So let me wind the session now. Thanks. Thank you all participants for your patience. And I'm sure all will be submitting the articles before Thursday. Thank you. Thank you so much.